waiting for us since 2000.
Oh boy.
As Brady won how many Super Bowls? As a Jet fan, it pains me. Just pains me.
4 or 5?
Hold it? Yeah, okay. Sounds good. So Robert's going to take over. Mikey's going to explain the specials to our Facebook fans, and everyone's going to, hear it again from YouTube. We apologize for torturing you.
All right, guys. So here's how it's going to work. There's 18 packs in this box, right? The order is on the screen. Let me just get this into the proper location, and then I will go over the way it's going to work. So, while I'm breaking this box, any personal pack that sells out, right? You have to buy a personal pack. $10 is going to go into a progressive pot, and one person is going to win the entire pot once the box break is over. Also, there are 11 prizes for the 11 packs that sold today, which we'll do after the break, right? And there's a second and third prize. Second prize is a $25 credit for to just collect their eBay store. You can buy anything you want in the store for $25. Third spot is a 68 set break spot. So those are the 3 prizes. And here we go. And it looks like we may already have the first entry. Chris T. Thank you, Chris. The first pack entry. So we have $10 in the pot, thanks to Chris T. Guys, this is a relic in and of itself. I feel like there's going to be something special in here. Let me get some card savers here. You see the order on the screen. Good luck. Pack 1, Chris T. All the cards in here are numbered, which is cool, right? Spot, that's pack 1. All commons. That's Chris T. Spot 2. Chris Fitzgerald. Here's a hit. Dorsey Levens. Musa Muhammad. Jake Plummer jersey. Jake Plummer jersey. Put that in a card saver. Nice and thick. That's the second spot. Let's go for spot 3. Don't forget, personal packs that sell out, you get 10. You're entered into a drawing. First prize is the bounty, which is the breaker credit accumulation. Chris Carter. Tyrone Wheatley. Carl Pickens. Realize this is an extremely rare box. Personal packs need to go while we're opening this. Lots of incentives if we sell out of personal packs. Ben Coates, Wesley Walls, Antonio Wilson, it's a rookie, at a 15 hunch. I always look on the back because the Brady, I believe, is one of the lower numbers, serial numbered rookie cards. We are on pack number 5, Jim Naylor. Mike Allstott, Cordell Stewart, Kimball Anders. Here's spot number 6. Jim Naylor again. Robert Smith, Sam Madison. Oh, I saw Patriots. Anton Harris. I thought I was going to see a Brady. Okay, first 6 down. Personal packs, guys. Still a lot on the website. Get those purchases in. You get a $10 breaker credit gets added to the pot. Here's spot 7. Jeremy. Yancey, Thigpen, Zach Thomas, Charlie Garner. Excitement. Here we go. John Cavalier. Doug Flutie. Sean King. And I believe our second Yancey Thigpen. Still haven't really pulled a short printed card yet out of here. Hopefully we'll get at least we'll get a Brady, right? Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, Joe A. Good luck, Joe. Frank Wycheck, Amon Green, Sabidi Davis out of 500. Sabidi Davis, whoever that would be. Here's 10. Jim Chu. Fred Taylor, Troy Edwards, Priest, Holmes. We're more than halfway through, guys. We're hoping for a Tom Brady. Here's 11. You know the specials, guys. Sell out personal packs while I'm breaking. $10 credit goes into the pot. Marshall Faulk. Gia Spearman. Frank Murphy out of 50. That would have been a nice Brady, tell you that. Here's spot 12. Chris T. Carl Pickens. Corey Bradford. Olandis Gary. 6 more packs, guys. Let's see what's hiding in here. Last 6 packs. $13, Jeremy. Larry Centers. Isaac Bruce. John Millam. $14. James Naylor. Michael Pittman, Akili Smith, Olandis Gary yet again. $15. If you want to take advantage of the personal pack giveaway, guys, now is the time because we're almost done with my break. Here's a Thomas Jones rookie ball out of 500. 3 more packs. 3 more shots at a Brady. I know Leighton's hoping I scream, which means we pulled one. Okay, John C. John Kitna, Larry Centers, Avion Black. 2 more packs. Looks like Russ is going to win that all by himself. Lawyer Malloy, Joey Galloway, Riddell Anthony. Last pack mojo maybe for John C. Let's find out. Jim Miller, Stephen Davis, Lamar Chapman. That's it. Unfortunately, no Brady, guys. That is it for Leaf Limited football.